Hi, welcome back. We are using HyperView 2019 and we are going to talk about some of the different types of animations available here. So if you see here, like there are pretty decent three types of animations are available like transient animation, modal animation and linear animation, each having different use cases. So firstly, we will see about the linear animation, what is it and when we can use it. So just we can load up one of the OP2 files here. Then I can use this linear animation. So as you can see, like it is linearly, it is varying because it is having only one, results at 0 and 1 second. Uh, like all 100% of the load is applied at once. So that is the meaning of linear analysis in the most layman terms, I can say. So here I can just control the speed also of this animation, and just I can go on here and change this. To export this in GIF format, what I can do here is I want to use it in a report. I can just go on here and just click on this icon. This will capture the entire screen, and if I just want to capture a very small screen, I can just go on here and choose this. So just I want to capture the entire screen first. Then I will just go on here and use this diff and just give any name. The animation has been recorded. I will just paste it here, and you can see like it is animating. And then if I don't want to capture the entire screen, what I can do is I can just use this icon. Now here is you can just replace it. Now I'll just go on here and left click on this, and once I can just capture this in a rectangle, and then I will just do the right click here. So this animation has been recorded and I can just paste it in another slide. So this way, this is the linear animation we can see in HyperView, and we can even plot it in our report also. Now suppose we have a model analysis deck or a frequency extraction deck, then which animation we can use? So this is the animation we can use to animate our results. Just open this and then just click on it. So this is, by the way, this is in linear animation. I need to set it in modal animation to check how it will vibrate if this natural frequency is reached. So this is how you can animate the modal animation if you want to check the modal animation. By the way, you can also select the different frequencies to check your different to check the second mode, and we can check the third mode also here.